And here's another feature about this pellet smoker, folks. Something that no one else has. And it's an adjustable deflector plate. This little rod, you pull it out like this, and as you can see, you can increase your smoke. Now, if you watch it, you see the smoke is starting to increase. Okay? And if you push it in, it kills the smoke almost down to nothing. And as you can see, it's kind of lightening up. I mean, you may not be able to tell by the cameras, but if you're out here, you can see. See how light it's getting now? You can almost barely see the smoke now. Okay? So that's a feature that no one else has in their pellet smokers. Okay? You can see very light smoke now. You pull it out and you watch it. Now it takes a minute for that log to stay. This log been burning for a while, so it might not change that much. But if you have a large log on there and you're going to do an overnight cook and you want this thing to just give you a light smoke, you push it in and it'll smoke just almost, you can't, just like it's doing now. You can't hardly see it, but boy, you can smell it and you can taste the meat. And that's where you get your best barbecue from. The cleaner burning wood that you have, the better taste in the meat. You never have to worry about Creole soot in this smoker because the smoke never has a chance to just hang around in the smoker like a regular stick burner. You know, if you don't set your vents right on a regular stick burner, you'll get this taste and it'll numb your lips to the point and your gums to the point that if you want to go to the dentist, you don't need Novocaine. Just eat some of that meat and go into the dentist and get your tooth pulled or whatever you're going to do. And Creole soot is when the smoke sits in the smoker and it's real heavy and you see that real heavy white smoke coming out the stack. If you see that coming out of a stick burner, you can believe that your meat is going to taste very bad. You're going to have some very messed up tasting meat and it'll ruin a whole barbecue. But you see how faint that smoke is coming out of there? That's exactly what you want in a smoker. Nice, faint smoke, burning real clean. And that's wood, folks. That's not pellets. You don't get that smoke. It's at 250 degrees. You can't get no smoke out of a pellet smoker at 250 degrees. And look at this. Smoking very nicely. That'll flavor your meat. And another thing about these pellet smokers. We did a 27-pound beef chuck. Now, rule of thumb is you smoke a beef, especially when it's a tough cut of meat, brisket or beef chuck or something like that, you smoke it, it takes 1 hour per pound. So it should have took 27 hours, which it would have taken in a regular stick burner, and here we did it in 15. So it cuts your cooking time way down with this cooker right here. Okay, and this cooker is the competition cooker's dream. Actually, the way that is set up, most cookers, or should I say most teams, don't cook with the same temperature. Some of them like to cook what they call power smoking, which is from 275 to 350. And then some like to smoke at what they call low and slow smoking, which is from 180 to 225 or 250 in there. Okay, now the good thing about this is it will smoke at a low smoke temperature of 180. You still get the same smoke. You can go up to 350. Usually in a stick burner, when you go up to 350, it doesn't take on the smoke. I mean, it takes on very little smoke. It doesn't matter if you're smoking with this at 350 or 180, it infuses the same smoke and you get the same flavor. And that's a competition cooker's dream because he can adjust it to smoke at any temperature he wants. And they usually like to smoke on the higher end so their briskets and their pork butts can get done quickly. So there you have it, folks. This smoker does what no other smoker on the market will do today. Okay, and that's it. You can just adjust it to however you want to smoke with it, and it will do the job for you. Whether you're low and slow or whether you're power smoking, you're going to have the same flavor in the meat. Never having to worry about creosote, because that air that you hear keeps the smoke moving. It kisses the meat and go right on out the stack, eliminating creosote altogether. So there you have it, folks. The Genuine Jerry pellet fired stick burner. There's nothing on the market like today. Look at these heavy duty hinges. That'll last longer than your kids' grandkids. Okay, your kids' grandkids will be smoking on this. Very heavy duty. I mean, we call this one here the Beast, because it weighs about maybe 500–600 pounds. End-roll doors, no straps around the door. Beautiful, nice design. There you have it, folks. The Genuine Jerry pellet fired stick burner. Nothing on the market like it today. I'm out.